In the vast landscape of modern business, few names command as much presence as Amazon. This colossal enterprise began not in a gleaming corporate tower, but in a garage in Bellevue, Washington. The architect of this vision was Jeff Bezos, a Princeton-educated computer scientist who saw the internet as the foundation for a new kind of commercial empire. In 1994, Bezos discovered internet usage was growing at 2,300% per year, an unprecedented opportunity. He drew up a list of products to sell online, ultimately choosing books for their universality and ease of shipping. The name Amazon was chosen to evoke scale and appear early in alphabetical listings, a small but telling example of Bezos's meticulous, data-driven thinking. From the start, Amazon was built on long-term thinking, sacrificing short-term profits for market dominance and customer loyalty. Today, Amazon is far more than an online bookstore. It's a logistics powerhouse, a cloud computing giant, a movie studio, and a pioneer in AI. Its journey is one of relentless innovation and a single-minded focus on the customer, earning both admiration and criticism. To understand Amazon is to understand the forces shaping the 21st century economy, a river of commerce flowing through nearly every aspect of modern life. Amazon's first name was Cadabra, but it was quickly changed after being misheard as Cadaver. The switch to Amazon.com in 1995 marked the true beginning. The website's launch was primitive, but within a month, Amazon shipped books to all 50 states and 45 countries without major advertising. The early years were defined by a get big fast mentality. Bezos reinvested every dollar into growth, not profits. Going public in 1997, Bezos warned shareholders he'd prioritize bold, long-term investments over short-term earnings. Expansion beyond books began in 1998, adding music, DVDs, electronics, and more, revealing the everything store concept. A key innovation was customer reviews, controversial at the time but essential for building trust. The dot-com bust tested Amazon, but it survived, emerging leaner and more disciplined. Its model, massive selection, low prices, and convenience, proved sustainable. This adversity solidified Amazon's culture and set the stage for transformative services like Prime and AWS. These moves propelled Amazon from retailer to global tech colossus. The company's willingness to challenge convention became its greatest asset. Amazon's early story is one of risk, resilience, and reinvention. At Amazon's core is the flywheel, a self-reinforcing cycle of growth. Low prices attract more customers, which draws more third-party sellers, expanding selection, and improving the customer experience. Greater scale lowers costs, enabling even lower prices and faster growth. Every new initiative is evaluated by how it energizes this flywheel. Amazon's revenue streams are now diverse: retail sales, marketplace commissions, and subscription services like Prime. Prime members spend more and are locked into the Amazon ecosystem, further spinning the flywheel. The most profitable division, AWS, provides cloud infrastructure for thousands of businesses and funds Amazon's aggressive retail investments. This engine of growth keeps Amazon's momentum accelerating. Amazon's culture is defined by customer obsession. Bezos institutionalized this with an empty chair at meetings, representing the customer's voice. Amazon starts with customer needs and works backward, not by copying competitors. Innovations like one-click ordering, reviews, and personalized recommendations all remove friction for shoppers. Liberal return policies build long-term trust, even at short-term cost. The customer experience itself is Amazon's most powerful marketing tool. Prime transforms shoppers into loyal members, making Amazon their default for everything. Unlike competitor-obsessed companies, Amazon leads by inventing on behalf of customers. This internal focus allows Amazon to be proactive, not reactive. The empty chair is a constant reminder. At Amazon, the customer is the ultimate dictator. Amazon Prime's 2005 launch redefined e-commerce, offering unlimited 2-day shipping for a flat fee. Prime removed the mental barrier of shipping costs, making buying frictionless and boosting loyalty. Rapid growth forced Amazon to build its own logistics network, fulfillment centers, delivery stations, and a fleet of planes and vans. Inside warehouses, humans and robots work side by side, with Kiva robots speeding up order picking. Sophisticated algorithms optimize every step from shelf to doorstep, This logistics investment gives Amazon a nearly unassailable advantage. Delivery speed is now a standard expectation, not a luxury. Amazon controls the entire journey, gathering data to further optimize operations. Its logistics network is the backbone of its digital empire. By shrinking the time and distance between order and delivery, Amazon sets a standard others struggle to match. The relentless drive for speed and efficiency is what makes Amazon's service unique. Replicating this scale and precision is nearly impossible for competitors. Amazon's reach now extends far beyond e-commerce. AWS, launched in 2006, turned Amazon's internal IT expertise into the backbone of the modern cloud industry. AWS democratizes access to computing power, fueling innovation across industries and generating most of Amazon's profits. These profits fund bold bets like the Amazon Echo and Alexa, launched in 2014. Alexa aims to be the next major computing platform, an always-on, voice-controlled interface for the smart home and shopping. Amazon has also expanded into entertainment with Prime Video, groceries with Whole Foods, and healthcare with online pharmacy and telehealth. Each move leverages Amazon's strengths in logistics, technology, and customer data to disrupt established industries. These ventures may seem disparate, but all deepen Amazon's integration into daily life. The company's ambition is to be indispensable in every facet of the consumer's world. Amazon's strategy: use its core competencies to conquer new frontiers. The quest for relevance never stops. Amazon's rise has sparked controversy and criticism. Labor practices in fulfillment centers have drawn scrutiny. Reports of grueling conditions, high injury rates, and unionization efforts. Amazon argues it offers competitive pay and benefits, but tensions persist between customer obsession and employee welfare. As both retailer and marketplace, Amazon faces antitrust accusations, using seller data to launch competing products and favoring its own brands. Critics say this dual role is unfair, giving Amazon too much power over small businesses. The company denies wrongdoing, but regulatory investigations are mounting. Calls for breaking up Amazon or separating its marketplace from retail are growing louder. The company's structure and practices are under the microscope as never before. Amazon's greatest threat isn't a rival, it's internal complacency. Bezos's day one philosophy keeps the company hungry, experimental, and agile, fighting the inertia that dooms large organizations. But now, Amazon faces a formidable external challenge: regulation. Lawmakers worldwide are scrutinizing its power in retail, cloud computing, and data. Europe's GDPR and Digital Markets Act and US antitrust actions aim to curb big tech's dominance. Amazon must balance innovation with compliance, defending its model while adapting to new rules. Navigating this landscape will define Amazon's next chapter. The company's ability to stay inventive while under regulatory pressure is crucial. How Amazon manages these battles, internal and external, will shape its future. The day one mindset is being tested as never before. Amazon's story is far from over. It's now at the forefront of the AI revolution. AI powers everything from shopping recommendations to warehouse robots and Alexa's voice. The future will see even deeper AI integration, anticipating needs, automating deliveries, and transforming healthcare. But this future brings new challenges: data privacy, antitrust concerns, and the impact of automation on jobs. Amazon's journey is a case study in the disruptive power of technology and customer-centric vision. It's delivered immense value, but also raises questions about responsibility and power. As AI reshapes the everything store, Amazon must navigate complex ethical and societal challenges. The day one philosophy will be tested not just to invent, but to do so responsibly. Amazon's next era will be defined by how it balances innovation with its impact on the world.